Successful dentists can make a lot of money, right? In the world today, going to the dentist is considered just something you do regularly, like getting the oil changed on your car. Dentists love this idea and do a lot to plant this perspective. Without a consistent flow of people with lots of dental problems, it's hard to make a lot of money as a dentist. Since we were little kids, we were taught that brushing and flossing our teeth at least twice a day is one of the most important things to do for our oral health. But as much as 90% who brush their teeth regularly do not use dental floss for cleaning teeth. In their defense, they have sensitive gums and they tend to bleed, and they also find the entire process of flossing to be very tedious. It is a painful or unpleasant chore. They feel they do not have time to continue to insert a nylon filament between the teeth and scraping the sides of the teeth at least twice a day, so they never floss at all. Imagine that only a minimum of about 10% of Americans with college education are regularly floss their teeth. This is incorrect. Dentists and dental hygienists encourage us to brush and floss teeth at least twice a day if we want to maintain high oral hygiene. I don't know about you, but to be totally honest, I have not always been faithful to this rule. But I recently had an experience that made me change my mind about the whole flossing business. It was my last annual checkup with the dentist. When he did the dental cleaning, I had brushed and flossed my teeth before, but the amount of junk he was still able to get out of my mouth was shocking. The moment I came home, I turned on my computer and started looking for an alternative to the annoying string flossing. After a little bit of research, there is a solution out there. Clinical studies show that water flossers like the Waterpik are just as, or if not more effective than flossing. And it can remove more bacteria from under the gums and between teeth than traditional string floss. If you have your heart set on a water flosser, I recommend the Waterpik Aquarius, which is one of the most popular flossing alternatives right now. Among the many models in Waterpik, this one seemed the sturdiest, gave us the most options for finding a comfortable stream, and made our mouths feel the cleanest. They promised a lot. The health of teeth and gums will improve dramatically in just 2 weeks. Up to 50% more effective for improving gum health versus string floss. It saves a lot of time. It's not tedious at all. Almost 100% of plaque get removed. The blood circulation in the gums improves, which leads to strong and healthy gums. It can reach all the areas that string floss can't reach. The Waterpik Aquarius comes with 3 classic jet tips for general use, 1 toothbrush tip to manually brush as you water floss, 1 Waterpik Plaque Seeker tip to remove plaque from dental work, 1 Waterpik Orthodontic tip for use with braces and orthodontics, and 1 Pick Pocket tip for periodontal pockets. With 10 pressure settings, 2 modes, and 7 tips, the Aquarius is very adjustable. Teeth vary in spacing and gums in sensitivity, as the experts point out, so no single pressure setting will suit everyone. I have to admit, when I first used it, it was an unusual but not unpleasant feeling. However, the results I got out of it after using it for 2 weeks were amazing. My gums have become strong and pink, there is not a single piece of junk left in my mouth when I use my water flosser, all the plaque has gone, my mouth feels incredibly clean and healthy, and the best part of it was the surprised look of my dentist when he checked again. The main thing I don't like about this water flosser is that the motor is about as noisy as a weed whacker, so just make sure to use it before everyone goes to sleep or you'll definitely wake the family up. I do recommend putting a cushioned cloth underneath to reduce the vibration noise. So much does it cost? The Waterpik Aquarius costs $65 on Amazon. You can share it with your family, no need for separate units. All I can say is this, when you used it, you don't want to live without this useful little device anymore. So if you want to feel the magic of it, click the button in the description below to check out it. Please know that if you buy through our link, we do receive a small commission from the referral. It doesn't change the price, but it does help support what we do here. So if you feel like this video helped you out and you want to return the favor, this is a great way to spread the love, and we really appreciate it. To get more videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button, and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next.